Hello guys, have you ever wondered how to make money online by just playing simple games? I bring you this fantastic website where you can play simple games and make money daily. Trust me, you can make up to 10,000 naira every day on this platform by playing simple games from Aviator to Wingo to What Card and the rest of them. And trust me, these games are very simple to play once you know what you are doing. But I would like to warn you, this is also a game. Know that you can also lose your money, but the chance of you making money here is very high. So let me show you how to go around this side and make money. Okay, once you register with the link below, if you check my comment section, you see the link there. You click the link and register. Once you register, you see 100 naira free bonus. Once you register, you get 100 naira free bonus, and then you start playing games. For example, this game is called Mine. This is the one that I like to play, or Aviator. It's very simple. As you can see, once I register, they gave me this 100 naira, and if you download their mobile app, they will also give you another 100 naira automatically for free. You can use this 100 naira to turn over and make money without you depositing. But if you want to deposit, just click on wallet and then select the amount that you want to deposit, and then there you go, you start making money. If you deposit, for example, 5,000 naira, you get extra 300 naira bonus, and the higher the amount you deposit, the higher your bonus. So go ahead and register and start playing this game. It's quite simple to play, and also the deposit is very swift. All you need to do is just to copy the account number and the account details, then transfer the money to the uh, bank account that they provide. Immediately the amount will reflect in your own balance here on this platform, and the withdrawal is very simple. All you need to do is just to put your bank details, and then within 3 minutes your money is there in your bank account when you win money and you want to withdraw. So it's quite simple for you to a deposit. For those people that are familiar with aviator game, you can play this the aviator. What I like the aviator, you will not um go down quickly. The odd is very high. Before the thing will crash, it will take some time. So this is the account number, this is the page that you deposit if you want to deposit. And note that this account number that they provide always change, so don't repeat the account number. Always use the account number that they provide at the moment to deposit. So that is it. Once you deposit, you see your money in your bank in the on this balance immediately. For example, this is 5,000 naira. Once you deposit, you get extra 300 naira bonus. Okay guys, after that you just go about playing those games. Just go to the home page, then you select any game that you want to play and start playing. For example, I want to play this aviator. So as you can see, the odd is very high. Before this thing will crash, will take some time. You'll be able to cash out some money at the end of the day. So let me use this 100 naira that they gave me to try it out. So I'll play the next set of game now. Once this one is over, okay, I've staked my own with 100 naira. Let me see how much I'll be able to make with this 300 naira that they gave me. Don't forget, the link to register is down the comment section, and also you can use this platform to make money. Not only you playing games, you can also share your link to your friends, your colleague. Once they register through your link, you also get a bonus. As you can see, I was able to make extra 40 naira. Imagine that you put 10,000 naira, that means you make 4,000 naira immediately within few seconds. And you can keep doing this all day, and you keep accumulating your money. Okay guys, that is all I have for you. As you know, this platform, I always bring you good news, always bring you things that will make you money on daily basis. As you can see, my money has increased from 100 naira to 148 naira. So imagine that you put 10,000 naira, that means I would have made 4,800 naira in profit. So guys, check the comment section for the link and register and play